Hey
Hey
guys, it's Megan and Sean from Traveling Our Purdy World.
back again.
Back again and wearing blue for the Lions.
Woo.
Go Lions,
They
Detroit
win.
Lions.
Yes.
Yes. Hopefully we're celebrating very soon. And yes.
Excited for the
So,
game.
yes. So today,
What
let's
are we
get
talking
to
about?
it. We're going to talk about one thing you need to do prior to you getting on your cruise. This can be done the day that you book or the day that you get on the ship or any day in between.
What's that?
What do you think it is? I mean, there's a million different
There's a lot of
things.
things you should be doing.
But today we're going to focus on one in particular, and that is joining your cruise's Facebook group.
That's always fun
Yes.
because you get a lot of activities with that, right?
Yes, we're going to go through all of that.
Okay.
So
You got your notes?
don't spoil it.
Okay.
Don't spoil it. So we're going to go through that and explain why you need to do that. So follow along, and we will tell you all about it.
Okay. Let's get into it.
All right, let's get into it.
So we're back.
We're back.
And we're talking about Facebook groups, right?
Yes.
So what is a Facebook group?
So a Facebook group is a group within Facebook. Facebook has groups that you can set up for anything. If you like crafting, knitting, traveling, whatever, there's probably a group out there for it. And basically, a Facebook group for your cruise is a cruise specific Facebook group that is for your specific cruise. So we have an example on here. We are going on a cruise February 11th, 2025, and we joined our group's Facebook group. We'll talk about all the benefits and what you can do in this Facebook group, but just finding it is the first step. Basically, you just go into Facebook, you type in the date you're going on your cruise and Carnival after, or Celebrity after, or Royal Caribbean, or however it is, or before, after. As long as you have the cruise itself and the date, you should be able to find it. And if there's not one out there, then feel free to make one.
But you did that before, I think, one time
Yep.
too. You made a Facebook
I've made them
group.
before. Yep. So next slide, we'll talk about all the benefits.
Go. Okay. So I found the Facebook group.
Yes.
So why would I want to join a Facebook group though?
So there's a number of reasons. One reason is so you can chat with others. You can chat with your friends that are cruising on that same cruise, chat with family that's cruising, or you can chat with just total strangers. If you have questions, this is your opportunity to ask questions to others. You can also, plan like meetups and plan different events, find out where people are cruising from. Maybe you can hitch a ride with someone on the way there or join an excursion with them. Meeting others and chatting with others before your cruise and during your cruise. If you have the internet package, you can chat on the Facebook group while you're on the cruise.
Yeah.
There's been several instances where we've been on cruises and someone needed feminine products or ibuprofen and you don't have it in your suitcase. And let's just say the ship's stores are closed that day because you're out to sea or whatever the case is, or you're in port or whatever, and you just can't get to the things that you need to get to. You can send a message out to the group and say, does anyone have XYZ? And chances are someone will.
Usually pretty positive too,
Yes.
I think.
Yes.
I've also noticed too that cruises are very chatty in a good way. Like they
Yes.
want to meet because when you're on the ship, you're from all over the country. So it's we're from North Carolina. Hey, we're from Maryland, or we're from Ohio, and just it's a good way to meet with other people and just talk about them and see what life is like on different side of the country.
Yeah. The other thing is joining cruise events. A lot of times prior to your cruise, somebody will set up a cruise event. I've seen slot tournaments. I've seen gift exchanges. I've seen
single nights,
yeah. Shot glass exchanges, just all kinds of things that, is pretty cool. So that's another thing. So if you haven't joined your cruises Facebook group, we highly suggest it. We join it for every single cruise. It's really
We're participating in a gift exchange this time too, so those are really fun.
Yeah, we have a cruise next month, and we're part of a gift exchange, and it's really fun to see where other people are from, and it's a little surprise you get from
during
several people. Yeah,
that's fun.
So if you haven't joined your cruise's Facebook group, you need to do that. We suggest it, and it's one of those things. If you don't like it, if there's not a lot of action, you can
always leave the group. And like it never happened.
Yeah.
Can we go join right now?
Let's go join the other cruises. We have one in November, and we haven't joined that one, so we need to join that.
Yeah, another one in the works, I'm sure.
Yeah, let's get to it.
Okay.
So we hope you liked our video and learned some good information. Feel free to comment in the comment section what you have used a cruise Facebook group for, because I'm sure there's 1,000 other ways you can use it. We just haven't mentioned it in this video. And if you liked our video, please like and subscribe and follow, as I don't know.
We got more content coming this way. We got a cruise to show, so we can show what we did.
So far this year, we have Carnival Sunshine we're going on, Celebrity Excel.
Yes. Excel. Yep.
And then we're looking at 2 other trips. So we will have a lot of content coming for you, a lot of reviews. So follow, like, subscribe. And also, we wanted to mention that we are travel agents. So if you do need any help planning your special vacation, we are here to help. We would love to help. So feel free to send us an email. Our email is travelingourpurdyworld@gmail.com, and we would love to help.
We'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.